In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Smartsheet. If you have ever wanted to see more of your sheet at once, or if you needed to focus on a smaller area of your workspace, zooming is the easiest way to do that. Smartsheet lets you change how large or small the content looks on your screen. That can help when you are reviewing details, working on a specific section, or just trying to fit your view comfortably. To get started, you will use your keyboard together with your mouse. Take a moment to make sure your cursor is inside the Smartsheet area, meaning you can click around the grid or sections of your sheet. This helps ensure that the zoom action affects the sheet you are looking at. Now the first part is holding a key. Hold the Control key on a Windows computer, or hold the Command key, often shown as CMD on a Mac. Keep holding that key for the next step. This modifier key is important because it tells Smartsheet that you are trying to zoom, not perform another action. While you hold Control or CMD, move your attention to your mouse wheel. You do not need to click anything on the screen. Instead, you will scroll the wheel to control the zoom level. Go ahead and focus on your mouse wheel, because this is the part that will actually change the view. Next, to zoom in, scroll your mouse wheel up while you continue holding Control or Command. As you scroll upward, the sheet will appear larger, and the content will take up more space on your screen. This is useful when you want to read smaller text, inspect details in a column, or make sure you are viewing specific rows clearly. After you have zoomed in to a comfortable level, try keeping it steady for a second. This gives you time to confirm that the view matches what you need. You should notice that the grid becomes easier to read and more visually focused in the area you are working on. If you decide that the view is too large, you can adjust it by zooming back out. The process is the same, except you scroll in the opposite direction. Make sure you are still holding Control or Command D, and then scroll your mouse wheel down to zoom out. When you scroll down, the sheet will shrink to show more of the overall layout. Zooming out is helpful when you want a broader view, such as when you are scanning across multiple columns or trying to understand how different parts of your sheet relate to each other. Take a moment to compare the zoomed-out view with what you had before. You can use this to quickly find a setting that feels right for your screen size and the type of task you are doing. Some people prefer a slightly zoomed-in view for data entry, while others prefer zooming out for planning and review. If you keep adjusting, you will quickly get the hang of how much each scroll changes the zoom level. Remember that the key part is holding Control or Command, then scrolling the mouse wheel up or down. Without holding the key, the mouse wheel might behave differently, or the zoom action might not happen as expected. When you are finished, simply stop scrolling once the view looks correct. You can continue to zoom in and out anytime during your session using the same method. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.